Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G13, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. Now to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and locate the toggle for screen recording. Now for me, it's on the second page right over here. So once you find yours, first time around you can hold it. This will take you to the settings, or not. Looks like tapping on an arrow just gives us all the settings we have access to. So we can select what kind of audio we record. We have device audio by default. You can also record a microphone or both. And obviously if you toggle this off like it is by default, you're not recording any audio. And then below that we have show touches and on the screen. So if I enable this, this will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever my finger was pressing the display. I'm going to enable this just so we can see how that looks like on the recording. From there, select start. It starts a countdown from 3 and then begins recording. That's annoying notification sound. Anyway, so I'm just kind of fiddling around here just so I have something to show you. And once you're done, pull down your notifications and select stop. This will save your screen recording to your Photos application. Here you can navigate to Library and you will find a new album called, where is it? Movies apparently. When you tap on it, it will start the playback of your screen recording. And as you'll see in a second, there's like grayish dot, that's my finger basically. So you can see just swiping around there. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.